Do you know the blessings of the Lord make it rich and addeth no sorrow?
When you carry the blessings of God, you are not at the mercy of men. You are not at the mercy of men. It is a lack of blessing that makes you depend on men. That makes you think if man fails, there is no other way.
Get ready for the 3 Nights of Rain, a power pack program that holds every last weekend of the month at the Breakthrough Christian Church. Time 4 p.m. daily. Date February 23rd to 25th. Ministry Pastor Dr. Shijubomi Ogolo Jeremiah. Team The Force of Blessing. Come and be mightily blessed.